back to my channel. In today's video I have another super exciting unboxing. We have a huge, and when I say huge I mean huge, Fashionphile unboxing. Let me just sanitize my hands, honey, because you know we're not playing. So I'm so excited. I have actually waited probably over a week to unbox this item. I've had it in my possession for a while, and you guys know sometimes I can't wait to open things, but if I know I'm going to be unboxing it soon, I like to wait. So we have another Chanel unboxing. If you guys would like to see what I have acquired, please keep watching. So I know last month you guys saw a Chanel unboxing on my channel from Fashionphile as well, and I will link that down below. Before we get into the boxing, you guys know I always have a little story time because bag purchasing for me is a whole ordeal. So let's get into why I added this bag to my collection and all that good stuff. So last month I purchased a bag, and honestly I have been saving up for a bag, but when I saw that one I decided to jump on it because it was just so interesting. I'll pop a picture of it right here. It's the Chanel New Bubble Flap, and I wanted that bag because I wanted to add a Chanel flat bag to my collection, but I'm not really a fan of classic flaps. I just think they are very traditional. I'm not going to say boring. I think they're a little too classic for me. I like to dress in all the accoutrements, and I love all the fanfare. I like my pieces to not be so classic. I like them to be a little different. So now we get to this piece. I decided to pull the trigger on this because I had a very amazing Q4 for myself in one of my businesses. I'm just going to give myself a pat on the back for my social media business. I had an amazing Q4, and I just decided to treat myself. A lot went into Q4 in terms of, you know, all the moving parts that went into last year, at the end of last year. So I decided to treat myself. So that is how I made this purchase. I decided to use a small portion of my earnings to give myself a little treat. So I first saw this bag a few years ago on HRH's Instagram, I believe, and I thought it was so interesting, but I was like, not really my style right now. I don't know if I would ever use it. But as I'm starting to build my Chanel collection, I told you guys in my 2021 wish list that this year I would be building my Chanel collection. I want to think of my collection as something that is not just we're getting every popular bag that's out right now. Not that anything's wrong with that, but like I said, my taste is a bit different. And let's be honest, with where we are in the world right now and where I am in my life, I'm not carrying a super dressy tweed bag anywhere, a sequin bag. I'm not carrying a traditional Chanel flat bag. Where am I going? Okay, so that is how I decided on this bag. It's very different. It's not anything that you guys are going to be expecting from me, especially when you see the size of it. So let's get into the bag. Like you guys saw, I purchased it from Fashionphile. I love Fashionphile. I've purchased maybe 8 or 9 things from Fashionphile. I am no stranger to purchasing pre-loved. This year, my budget, my maximum for every single luxury item is $2,500. So unless it is $2,500 or less, I will not be purchasing it. Now that doesn't mean I'm not accepting gifts from my loved ones and whoever that are over that amount, but as far as me spending my own coin, yeah, $2,500 is my max. So this bag was well under that, as well as the last Chanel that I purchased last month. So I'm not gonna have the box up here because it's huge, but inside the box you will receive this, and I don't remember what this is. Is this your receipt? Yes, this is my receipt. We have the confetti, and this is a little thing about we want it back. 2 things that I love about Fashionphile, besides the fact that they feature really nice pre-owned bags. 1, you can use layaway, which is amazing because you don't have to pay any extra money on top of the cost of the bag. But I think you have maybe 2 months to pay the bag off fully, which is great because if you don't want to spend all the money at one time dropping it on a bag, you don't have to. So the layaway program at Fashionphile is great. great. Another thing is that they buy back their bags. Now, you won't always get a lot of money, but if you're buying popular bags, they might be in higher demand. So Fashionphile is my #1 source all around for getting luxury. I like that you don't have to really do your own authentication. I have heard some horror stories from some people, but I have always had amazing experiences shopping Fashionphile. But I'll leave all the resources down below of how I shop preloved, how I authenticate pieces, so on and so forth. But let's get into the good stuff. I also got another Fashionphile calendar. I can put that in my office. There's some confetti in the bottom. It looks like this time I got gray confetti. So this is what my bag looks like. As you can see, I've not unboxed it, so let's take off the sticker. It says used is the new. Oh, you guys, this bag is actually very large. Oh, there's more confetti. No, we need all the fanfare. Where's my confetti? Okay, I want all my fanfare. So this is the bag. Do you guys think you can guess which Chanel bag that I have just acquired? If you think you can guess it, leave it down below in the comments. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. So excited. Okay. So she didn't come with a box, a Chanel box. She didn't come with a Chanel dust bag, but I'm not really into that. I'm not someone who keeps my luxury boxes and packaging. I don't have space for it. So I think I have maybe one Louis Vuitton box that's broken down, but most of my boxes I just throw out anyway. So that's why also buying pre-owned, it's like, I'm not really into the whole experience of opening packaging. I mean, it is nice, but let's be honest, it's just gonna end up in the garbage can and it's a waste. So the bag that I purchased, are you guys ready? Oh, I got a peek of her. I'm so excited. Okay, let's just go. This is the bag, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness. So let me tell you the exact name of this bag. This is the Chanel Calfskin Quilted Featherweight Bowling in, I think, medium. Let me look at the receipt to get the full name for you guys. Okay. I was wrong. This is the Chanel Calfskin Quilted Featherweight Bowling Bag in black beige. And I also got this bag 10% off. That's another great thing with Fashionphile that I forgot to add. The longer an item stays on the website, I think when it gets past 30 days, it gets discounted 10%. And then I think the discount just starts to increase the longer it goes on their site. So this was up for about 30 days. And when it hit the 10% discount, I decided to go for it. So this is what the bag looks like. First of all, can we just talk about how sumptuous this looks? So this is what our bag looks like. Totally different from the other bags that I've bought in the past few years because this is a nice size bag. So I really like that it has shoulder straps and you also have your top handle. So if I'm out and about shopping, grocery store, post office, meetings, I mean, like, I don't go shopping anymore, but if I'm out and about and I want to carry it on my shoulder, I can do so, but I can also let these hang down and carry it like this. So of course I'm going to insert mod shots for you guys, but I just love this. I love that this bag is different. It's a larger sized bag, but it's not too large. It's also very soft and malleable, so that's nice. I don't like my larger bags to be structured because I feel like I'm walking through places and I'm hitting people and then the bags are getting damaged and then you're upset, and darling, who wants to deal with that? So I really love this bag, you guys. I first started really being into Chanel bowling style bags when one of my aunts, I saw her post a picture. She has the Chanel DeVille, and then one of my favorite R&B singers, I used to always see her like at the bank with this bag, and it's so beautiful. So that's what got my mind to thinking about Chanel bowling bags. And I love that this is a more classic take on it. You have your leather, but then you also have this brown, and darling, I just can't wait to have one in all black everything outfit and turn this baby around to the brown side. I love it. So let me just show you guys the details. These are what the handles look like. And the grommets right here say Chanel. You also have a little Chanel charm, I guess. Here's what the handles look like. And this bag was in either excellent or very good condition. So it does have some scuffs right here. But this is the way I look at pre-owned bags, you guys. I don't baby my bags, okay? I have a Chanel bag sitting on the floor right now. Now it's on top of a dust bag, but it is on the floor. I don't want anything that I would be afraid for like my dog to scratch, like getting dirty, getting nicked, getting scratched. I like my pieces to be nice enough, but still everyday enough for me to wear and not be afraid to wear. I don't want to be concerned about wearing a ring and having it scratch things. So that's why I don't mind buying pre-owned, because if there are minor imperfections and flaws, it's going to happen anyway. And let's be clear, I'd rather save, how much did I save on this bag? I'll put it across the screen. Probably like 30 to 35%. I'd rather save that much than have a bag in pristine condition. Came stuffed with bubble wrap, which is great because with a bag like this, I will keep it stuffed when I'm storing it. So the inside of this bag is a black canvas, really, really nice large interior, and you just have one slip pocket on the back. So I don't think this came with the authenticity card. I don't keep those either. Yeah, I am not your average collector. I don't keep all my receipts. Like when I'm shopping at Louis Vuitton, all your purchase history is kept in their system. So I'm not someone that keeps all my receipts. And when I'm looking to purchase bags pre-owned, I don't care about all that. All I need to know is it authentic and am I getting a good deal? So this doesn't come with all the accoutrements or anything like that, but it's fine. It does have the Chanel serial number on the inside. So you guys, I am just so happy about this bag. It's large enough to carry everything day to day that I need if I'm going to be out for a long time. It's also large enough to take if I wanted to travel with it in the airport. I mean, like I'm not going in an airport right now, but like in 3 years or so, I'll be able to. And this is just a chic, everyday, running around town, running errands bag. I know a lot of people might think, well, girl, you could have gone to Target and gotten a bowling bag. And I probably could have, but I like having pieces that are very different in my collection. I love the fact that this is not your average run-of-the-mill bag that you're going to see everybody with. It's a little different, but it still very much is classic Chanel, and I just love it. So on the hardware, on the little grommets, it says 31 Rue Cambon, Paris, Chanel, and the zipper pull is just a leather pull tab. I love this bag, you guys. One more time. So this is the back and this is the front. Fashionphile has this little tag that says, if you remove me, you own the bag. I'm not returning this. I love it. Oh, I have to check and see if it has a smell. But yeah, this is the bag carried with the 2 shoulder straps. We will see if it fits on my shoulders because you guys know I am plus size 16 right now. But more than likely, I'll be carrying it top handle because it's just so chic and fabulous and casual. Like, I'm that girl that likes Chanel because I love the aesthetics. But I want a bag that I can carry every day. And this is very much so casual every day. It is nice calfskin leather, but it's not too delicate. So I'm really excited to wear it. This is what the bottom looks like. It's just so, I feel like Audrey Hepburn. Okay, let's do the smell test because sometimes when you buy pre-owned bags, they can have a musty smell. It just smells like leather. So this person took great care of this bag. You guys, I am so happy about this. So I hope you guys like my new purchase. I cannot wait to start wearing her. Once again, I just love that this bag is so different. I have kind of like a tote bag. I have a bowling style bag. It's kind of like the shape of a doctor's bag, and it's just perfect for everyday use. It's not too dressy. It's not too casual. It's right in the middle. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, true unboxing. You won't be seeing any unboxings for a while. My birthday is coming up in June and I'll probably acquire a few things then, but I'm chilling on the purchases. Like I said, I had an amazing Q4 in my social media business and I just wanted to use a little tiny percentage to do something nice for myself because yeah. So this is your gentle reminder. Take care of yourself. sometimes you just work and work and work, but give yourself a little time to enjoy yourself, have some fun, and buy the bag, girl. Buy the damn bag. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. If you would like a review of my new bag, please let me know down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh, and also my outfit details will all be down below as well. Bye, guys. Oh, and I've finished unboxing. This is like future me. I did get my nail file, my Fashionphile. It was at the bottom of the box, and apparently, honey, she was just too enthralled to get into her new bag. But it says, I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet. Now, that's not always true, but sometimes it is.